In the Hindu planet of Daruva, a sense of tranquility was shattered by the sudden arrival of the demon king, Ravana, and his formidable giant monster, Mahishasura. The duo emerged from the dark recesses of space, driven by a malevolent intent to destroy the planet's sacred temples and erase its rich cultural heritage. Ravana's dark magic began to corrupt the planet's energy grid, while Mahishasura's thunderous roar sent shockwaves through the ground. The Hindus, led by the brave warrior, Prince Arjuna, prepared to face the formidable foes, determined to protect their homeland and their way of life. The Hindu scientists of Daruva, men and women alike, raced against time to create a countermeasure against the demon king and his giant monster. They delved deep into the ancient Vedas, unlocking secrets of Hinduism's sacred knowledge. With this wisdom, they crafted super suits imbued with the essence of the gods. Prince Arjuna donned the suit of Lord Vishnu, its golden armor glistening with divine energy. The suit's AI, infused with the Vedas wisdom, enhanced his combat skills and strategic thinking. Other scientists wore suits inspired by Lord Shiva, Goddess Durga, and Lord Brahma, each harnessing the unique powers of their respective deities. As the demon duo launched a fresh assault, the Hindu warriors, clad in their super suits, charged into battle. The suit's advanced technology and the scientists' knowledge of ancient Hindu wisdom proved a formidable combination. Ravana's dark magic was neutralized by the suit's built-in defenses. The tide of the battle turned, and the demons began to falter. Prince Arjuna confronted Ravana, their suits clashing in a spectacular display of light and energy. The prince's suit glowed with the power of Lord Vishnu, as he struck the final blow, banishing Ravana from the planet. Mahishasura, enraged by its master's defeat, unleashed a devastating blast. But the Hindu warriors, united in their determination, with a collective cry of triumph, they struck back, defeating the giant monster and shattering its dark magic. Daruva was saved, its people rejoicing at their victory.